Mm. Hmm? Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, Hydro Systems again is here. We have just finalized with phase 1 plumbing, and everything has gone on well. It is a residential house, a kitchen, laundry, a master bathroom, and general bathroom, plus the outside bathroom as well. So everything has been done. What you have seen, where we have been going, all the points, those were all the points that we were focused as our plumbing team was busy doing all the work. So that is the work. Anything to do with plumbing, filtration and purification and filtration systems, swimming pool, water fountain, just check work on YouTube, Hydro Systems UG, and you see all the available works that we have done so far. And subscribe, give us a call. We are there on Instagram, Facebook. So just subscribe, check our work out, give us a call, give us work, and let the team do your work. Otherwise, see you